If you're serious about managing your meals, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we're sharing the best food scale for weight loss to help you stay on track and hit your health goals. Number 1. Withings Weight Loss Food Scale. The Withings Weight Loss Food Scale stands out as a remarkably advanced tool for anyone serious about managing their health and weight. Unlike a traditional food scale, this product offers a clinical-grade health scan feature, developed in collaboration with leading hospitals and clinical institutions, making it a reliable companion for health-conscious users. It delivers incredibly accurate weight measurements down to 50 grams, ensuring even the smallest food portions are correctly tracked. The high-resolution color display provides immediate, clear readouts of your weight trends, making it easier to monitor progress without always needing an app. What really makes this scale special is its comprehensive body composition analysis, helping users understand more than just their weight. It evaluates muscle mass, providing valuable insight for those looking to build lean muscle while shedding fat. Another standout feature is its heart rate monitoring at every weigh-in, offering users a quick glance at their cardiovascular health, an essential metric in any weight loss or fitness journey. Additionally, the scale estimates your body's daily energy needs, assisting in balancing caloric intake with output, a key factor for weight loss success. It syncs seamlessly with the HealthMate app, offering a clean, easy-to-navigate interface for viewing historical data and tracking trends over time. Users can set specific goals and receive motivational feedback, helping to stay committed. With its modern, elegant design, the Withings scale looks great in any home, blending high-tech functionality with aesthetic appeal. Number 2. Inevifit Weight Loss Food Scale. The Inevifit Weight Loss Food Scale is a feature-rich, highly reliable option for anyone serious about managing their weight and overall fitness. More than just a food scale, this product is designed as a full body composition tracker, making it an essential part of a health-focused lifestyle. It measures not only body weight, but also 13 vital fitness metrics, including body fat percentage, water content, muscle mass, BMI, BMR, bone mass, and visceral fat. All of these readings are easily accessible through the Aero Scale app, which syncs smoothly with popular health tracking services like Fitbit, Apple Health, and Google Fit. This makes it simple to consolidate all your health data in one convenient place. The scale itself is constructed with durability and user convenience in mind, featuring upgraded auto-calibrating sensors and a sturdy 6mm tempered glass platform that supports weights up to 400 pounds. Its modern, sleek design, crafted in Southern California, ensures it complements any room without sacrificing functionality. The bright, 3.6-inch luminous LED display is easy to read and activates automatically when stepped on, providing immediate feedback without delays. Users can track progress over time directly on their smartphones, making it easier to stay committed to fitness goals. Number 3. Renpho Weight Loss Food Scale. The Renpho Weight Loss Food Scale is a smart, modern tool designed for individuals who want more than just basic weight tracking. It offers a wide range of features that help users monitor their health comprehensively and make informed decisions about their weight loss journey. One of the highlights is its colorful TFT display, which provides 7 customizable body metrics, including weight, BMI, and other selected data points. This makes it easy to check progress directly on the scale without reaching for your phone every time. A fun and personalized touch is the ability to select an avatar for your profile within the app, which then appears on the scale's screen, turning routine weigh-ins into a more engaging experience. Connectivity is another area where this scale shines, offering seamless Wi-Fi integration that automatically uploads your health data to the cloud. This ensures your stats are always up to date and accessible wherever you go. It's app-enhanced through the Renpho Health app, which not only tracks body measurements, but also allows you to log food intake and set wellness goals. Specialized measurement modes cater to different users, including pregnancy mode, baby mode, and athlete mode, making it a versatile choice for households with diverse health needs. The scale's comprehensive 18 body composition analyses cover muscle mass, fat percentage, metabolic age, and much more, offering users detailed insights that go beyond simple weight readings. Built with precision sensors, it delivers highly accurate measurements every time. Its sleek, minimalist design ensures it looks great in any room, while its durable build promises long-lasting performance. Number 4. Greater Weight Loss Food Scale. The greater weight loss food scale might initially surprise users because it doubles as a sous vide immersion cooker. But this unexpected combination makes it a valuable tool for health-focused kitchens. Its precision cooking capability plays a crucial role in weight management by enabling users to prepare meals with exact nutrient retention, something that's often lost in conventional cooking. With 1,100 watts of power, it heats water evenly in all directions while maintaining a whisper-quiet operation, so you can prep healthy, nutrient-rich dishes without the distracting hum of most kitchen gadgets. The intuitive dial controls allow easy switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and adjusting temperatures without stopping the cooking process is seamless. A standout feature is the manual calibration and negative timer, which shows the time elapsed past your set cooking duration. Perfect for keeping track of extended sous vide sessions for tougher cuts of lean protein or nutrient-dense vegetables. The removable stainless steel cover is dishwasher safe, ensuring cleanup is hassle-free. Although it's primarily a sous vide device, the precise control it provides makes it an excellent companion for a healthy eating lifestyle, where exact cooking temperatures can preserve vitamins and minerals that would otherwise be lost. Additionally, it contributes to portion control, allowing users to cook perfect servings of fish, chicken, or vegetables without added oils or fats, aligning with weight loss goals. The bright LED display is large and easy to read from a distance, while the adjustable Easy Connect clip ensures it attaches securely to any pot or container. Number 5. Mrowner Weight Loss Food Scale. The Mrowner Weight Loss Food Scale is an exceptionally practical and well-designed tool for anyone looking to improve their dietary habits and track their food intake with precision. What sets this product apart is its seamless integration with the Healthy Bites app, which not only records daily food intake, but also provides detailed nutritional analysis to help users stay on track with weight loss and balanced eating goals. This makes it especially suitable for low-carb diets, macro counting, and daily meal preparation for those determined to stay within specific nutritional limits. The app's database is impressively extensive, featuring approximately 1 million food items with data on 25 nutritional indicators, including calories, fats, proteins, and sugars. The barcode scanning feature is particularly handy, providing instant access to food data without tedious manual input. Additionally, users can customize their own food profiles to track personal recipes and frequently eaten items. In terms of measurement precision, the Mrowner scale shines with its 4 high-precision sensors, capable of weighing from 3 grams to 5,000 grams in 1 gram increments. It also offers 5 different measurement units, including grams, milliliters, and ounces, providing flexibility for both solid and liquid foods. It's easy to clean and built to last. Its compact, lightweight design means it stores effortlessly in drawers or cabinets, making it a convenient, everyday kitchen companion. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.